How to fix Steam Cloud Sync conflict error. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First thing first, launch your Steam application, then get logged into your Steam account. You will see Steam here. Hover onto it, click onto it, then click on the settings icon. On your left hand side, you will see storage. Click onto your storage and this will be your storage. Here you will see three-dot icon. Click onto it, click repair library. Now wait for a couple seconds here. And now once it's done, click onto cloud just below storage. Here make sure that you have enabled Cloud Steam. Once done, close your application, then open a web browser. Here at the top search bar type in steamstat.us and make sure that the server of your region is not down and it is doing okay. And then next thing you want to make sure is you are not connected to any VPN. At the below search bar of your PC, caps lock, type in VPN, click enter. And make sure that you are not connected to any of your VPN. Once it's done, close all these, restart your device, and that will fix your conflict error. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.